Make a great choice today with the 2013 Dodge Journey. Dodge Journey combines the practicality of an SUV with the comfort of a car, all while boasting a style all its own. The Journey's optional third-row seat, along with innovative features like a chilled beverage cooler and in-floor storage bins, make it a good and affordable alternative to a traditional minivan. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, all-wheel drive, power steering, aluminum wheels, floor mats, cruise control, rear defrost, multi-zone climate control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.